So for today's project, we're going to put a Splendide 2100 XC washer dryer vented combo in that trailer right there. Alright, so this is where it goes. So we're going to have to drill a hole through the side of the trailer to vent the washer dryer tube. It's a support for that shelf.
Might be.
We'll leave it there.
Okay. Ready? Go!
There. So in order to put that hole where we wanted it, we actually had to move this brace right here. Move that brace over. It's just sitting there. We'll reattach it. And there we go. So this is the install fluing. There's the result from the inside with that vent kit put in. Well, now that we've got the vent in place, we just need to haul that washer dryer in here.
Fits in that narrow doorway. I'm impressed.
We can keep coming.
Come on, baby.
It didn't really fit.
Okay, I wonder if we ought to.
Hey, you're Jazzy.
We gotta take those anchor bolts out now. I know I should have done this before, but the sticker that the factory puts on this wall indicating where to drill is not where we ended up drilling. And it's still on the panel, but it's probably about 4 inches this side of the vent. You need to be very cautious when you're deciding where to drill that hole and do some pre-measuring. Ta-da! One washer dryer combo installed. And I just wanted to show that in preparation for moving that washer and dryer back into where it belonged, we took this handle off, took the door handle off because there's no way we could have got it through there. Took this door off, the bedroom door, and then obviously took the louvered doors off to the closet, which we've reassembled at this point. In preparation to do this install, of course, we bought the washer and dryer. Well, we didn't. They did. I also bought the drip pan and the vent install kit. I'll put links to those in the description below. But one other thing that we found helpful in this install was we bought a 90-degree elbow, a vent elbow, which we attached directly to the back side of the washer dryer combo. Made it easier to shoot that dryer vent than directly out the side of the trailer. So anyways, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow us on our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.